So welcome back to my channel guys, and I hope you all are doing great. So today's topic, it's all about last video and last session for modal verbs. As we have learned most of the like may, might, can, would, and then have to, has to, had to, need to, dare to. We have learned a lot of modal verbs. Still, we have to learn some most important and special modal verbs. One must learn, I think, in my perspective, in order to get mastery on modal verbs. You must have to learn this kind of thing, and later on I will make other video, one more video related model verb, because somewhere I am observing that there are so many model verbs in new recently have come in English words that is needed to learn uh, in order to get mastery on that. Something different like as we use may or might, so instead of may or might or will have to, then we instead of will have to we should use may have to, might have to, like that. And also like I have in mind, I will create, so don't think about that. Today's topic, it's all about instead of will have to, we just have to use other modal verbs. In place of will, we should change will in may, might, could, have already there, will have to, would have to, and may have to, might have to, must have to, this kind of things. There will be always stay have to or had to. You just have to change in place of will, just to use may, might, must. You get it guys? In place of will have to, we have to use may have to, might have to, must have to. Are you getting? Because nowadays most of the people while communicating use these kinds of phrases, modal verbs, that looks very trendy, and if you use it is very simple. So guys, try to use it and start your English learning journey. So let me complete the syntax or the rule of this modal verbs. Like, as I have already told you that subject plus will have to means in the sense of Hindi जाना होगा, have to for जाना and will for होगा, होगी, होंगे, future tense. Okay, so have to always fixed means जाना always fixed in Hindi. When you start thinking in Hindi, as it is your initial stage, and at this stage you will have to, as I am using here, you will have to think initially in Hindi. After that you will start translating Hindi into English, and then while practicing so many times you will get and you will observe that right now you are able to create directly in English, and it is only possible when you keep communicating with yourself in or keep translating. Initially you just have to use Hindi to English translation. So when you communicate with yourself and translating yourself, keep 4, 5 to 10, 15 minutes throughout the day, then you will start feeling after 1 week. After 1 week you will start feeling that yeah, right now just a simple sentence, if you are able to create or making a single simple sentence in English without thinking or without translating from Hindi to English, then guys, you are improving. Okay, because this is the only way you can improve, you can get fluency. And if you are doing this kind of things, then no one can stop you to start or to speak English. And it's a very simple, just you have to pay attention, and you have to pay your some time, you have to give your some times to practice. Okay, so let's start. So it will be like will have to, as we have learned, we will have to go, we will have to complete our assignment, means हम लोगों को अपना असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करना होगा, करना होगा. वी विल हैव टू मीन्स ना है होगा, ना मी ने, एंड विल फॉर होगा हो, करना होगा. विल हैव टू इन प्लेस ऑफ विल हैव टू, वी हैव टू यूज मे हैव टू, विल मे. Just remove the will, and in place of will just use may. May have to. And why we use may? Do you have in your mind? As we have learned in modal verbs, may is the, we use may for the possibilities. Possibilities. There should be chances of happening and not happening. Means it can be happen or not. It can't be happen. It is the risky balance. It can be, it not can be. So this is called possibility. Today may be ran, may ran, today may ran. It's or it may not ran. So like that, when there you are not confirmed, there is a possibilities, we use may. So for that we also use have like will, in place of will we just have to use may have to. And what will be the Hindi of this sentence? May have to. शायद वो स्कूल चला गया होगा, नहीं, शायद उसको जाना होगा, शायद उसको करना होगा, उसको ये कंप्लीट करना होगा, उस शायद मुझे ये काम असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करना होगा. देन यू मे हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस असाइनमेंट, यू मे हैव टू गो देयर, यू मे हैव टू eat, go, you may have to finish this food, you may have to work hard, you may have to work your all assignment. It may have to run. It is not good to use. So guys, try to use like this. Means when you have to use, this is very simple. If you pay attention, concentrate it while learning, then you will easily understand the concept of using may have to, must and must when there is a chances of more happening, or like you must have to do this work, means तुम्हें ये अवश्य करना होगा, you must, अवश्य, must means अवश्य, you must have to do it, means तुम्हें ये अवश्य करना होगा, you must have to finish your work, you must have to work hard to get job, you must have to get this month job, you must have to, yeah, that's how you can create. And one more there, might, you might have to go there. तुम्हें शायद ही means very little possibilities. When there are so many chances to happening, then must. There are balance 50%, then may. And if there are so many chances to happening, that is might. शायद ही, for शायद ही, you might have to go there. You might have to work hard because you have already done. So like that, you just have to create sentences. First, start making sentence in Hindi, then try to translate it in English. And after that, if you are not able to create in English, then go Google it and say, I want to learn, will have to, may have to, must have to, might have to. Please create sentences that I can practice and I can improve myself. Then you can use it on ChatGPT and Google, wherever you want to go. Just search it and explore it, and yeah, just keep learning, keep signing, keep practicing, guys. And one thing I'd like to share with you all, guys, that I keep creating or making or practicing data analytics courses videos like Power BI, Python, and moreover I will start. So if you are interested in beginner, housewife, students, working professional, and want to learn any skills, then you are on the right place, guys. Go watch my channel, and Excel, Power BI I have already started. So start watching and keep growing in your career, in your life, and your personality. So thank you, guys. Keep learning, keep signing. Bye bye. See you in my next video.